LCID stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now, nobody else in the world has done 45,000 videos like me, documented them all for 5 years. It's actually showing you what's working, because I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors trying to figure this stuff out, which you don't have to. And with LCID specifically, it's a bearish market that I already followed and kind of covered in this YouTube video here. It's not that I covered it, is I cut it out. Exact cut out, and video was made like 27th of July. Before things really took the turn, and then we only took the turn 29th of July, Thursday. It was Tuesday, and then since then it's been melting. I don't have any ill intentions towards LCID. It's just it's a bearish market, and it is what it is. Keep on rolling. We could keep on moving. So that's LCID. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I will of course continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.